Operation Roof is a program that provides temporary blue plastic roofs to residences damaged by windstorms. It is managed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers for FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The purpose of Operation Roof is to protect property, reduce temporary housing costs, and allow residents to remain in their homes while recovering from the storm. How does Operation Roof work? First, homeowners or landlords who need a blue roof must sign a right of entry form, which is a legal document that allows Corps workers to access their property and assess the damage to their roof. The form can be obtained by calling 1-888-ROOF-BLU or visiting the Operation Roof website. The service is free and there are no costs associated with the program. Second, the Corps will send contractors to install the blue plastic sheeting on the damaged roof. The sheeting is a fiber-reinforced, waterproof material that is designed to last 30 days. The sheeting is installed using strips of wood that are secured to the roof with nails or screws. The contractors will consider repairs to metal roofs and mobile homes on a case-by-case basis, but they cannot cover roofs made of materials such as slate, asbestos, or clay tile. Third, the homeowners or landlords should make arrangements for permanent roof repairs within 30 days if possible. The blue roof is only a temporary solution and does not replace the need for permanent repairs. The homeowners or landlords should also contact their insurance company to document the damage and assist with permanent repairs. Operation Roof is a valuable program that helps homeowners and landlords in disaster areas recover from windstorm damage. It is a priority mission managed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers for FEMA. By providing temporary blue plastic roofs, Operation Roof aims to help people stay in their homes and rebuild their lives. Operation Roof is a program implemented by the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, in collaboration with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to provide temporary roofing repairs to homes damaged by a severe windstorm that hit the country in late 2022. The program aims to help fight inflation by reducing the demand and cost pressures in the housing sector, which is one of the main drivers of high inflation in Australia. How does Operation Roof help fight inflation? Here are some of the benefits of the program: protecting property. By covering the damaged roofs with fiber-reinforced plastic sheeting, Operation Roof protects the homes from further damage caused by rain, hail, or debris. This reduces the need for more extensive and expensive repairs in the future, which could otherwise add to inflationary pressures. Reducing temporary housing costs, Operation Roof allows homeowners to stay in their homes while recovering from the storm, instead of having to seek alternative accommodation such as hotels, motels, or rental properties. This reduces the demand and prices for temporary housing, which have been soaring due to the shortage of supply and the influx of displaced people. Allowing residents to remain in their homes, Operation Roof also helps residents maintain their normal routines and lifestyles, which could otherwise be disrupted by having to relocate or live in substandard conditions. This reduces the psychological and emotional stress that could affect their productivity and spending patterns, which could also have an impact on inflation. Operation Roof is a free service to homeowners who meet certain eligibility criteria, such as having a primary residence or a permanently occupied rental property with less than 50% structural damage. The program does not target asset prices, but rather provides relevant information and assistance to homeowners who need it. Operation Roof is one of the measures that the RBA has taken to bring inflation back to its target range of 2% to 3% over time. The RBA has also raised its official interest rates 11 times since May 2022, making borrowing more expensive and discouraging excessive spending in debt. However, the RBA has also emphasized that it is still seeking to traverse a narrow path between lowering inflation and avoiding a recession. The RBA has said that further increases in interest rates may still be required, but this would depend on how the economy and inflation evolve. Operation Roof is not a perfect solution to the inflation problem. It faces several challenges and limitations that may affect its effectiveness and feasibility. Here are some of the issues that may arise: eligibility criteria, who can apply for the roof subsidy and how much can they get? The RBA has to set clear and fair criteria to determine who is eligible for the program and how much they can receive. For example, the RBA may consider factors such as income level, household size, location, and existing roof condition. However, this may create some problems such as exclusion of some needy households, fraud and abuse of the system, and administrative costs and delays. Roof types. What kind of roofs are covered by the program and why? The RBA has to decide what types of roofs are eligible for the subsidy and how they relate to the inflation goal. For example, the RBA may favor roofs that are energy efficient, durable, and environmentally friendly. However, this may limit the choices and preferences of the households, increase the costs and complexity of the installation, and create supply and demand imbalances in the roofing market. Debris removal. How will the old roofs be disposed of and who will pay for it? The RBA has to ensure that the old roofs are removed safely and properly without causing environmental damage or health hazards. For example, the RBA may require the contractors to dispose of the old roofs in designated landfills or recycling centers. However, this may increase the costs and time of the project, create waste management issues, and generate opposition from local communities. Legal documents. What kind of contracts and permits are required for the project and who will handle them? The RBA has to ensure that the project complies with all the relevant laws and regulations at different levels of government. For example, the RBA may need to obtain building permits, zoning approvals, insurance policies, and tax certificates for each roof installation. However, this may complicate the process and paperwork, create legal disputes and liabilities, and delay or cancel some projects. Quality standards. How will the quality and performance of the new roofs be measured and guaranteed? The RBA has to ensure that the new roofs meet certain standards of quality and performance that justify the subsidy. For example, the RBA may conduct inspections, audits, tests, and surveys to verify the quality and performance of the new roofs. However, this may increase the costs and resources of the program, create conflicts and complaints from contractors and households, and reduce customer satisfaction. These are some of the challenges and limitations of Operation Roof that may affect its success in fighting inflation. In the next section, we will discuss some of the possible alternatives or modifications to Operation Roof that may address some of these issues.